Hello viewers, here in this video I'll show you how to rename add to cart button with your preferred text. So to do that, let's go to the backend and go to on plugins sections, and we have to install a new plugin here. Click on add new plugin. Now we'll search for code snippet. And I love this plugin, and let's install it. Activate them. Here, as you can see, the plugin has been installed on my WordPress website, and there are some codes pre-installed. I'll give you a code snippet to install here, so you will able to change the add to cart button. Here is the code. Copy the code. I will put it on description. Go for add new and paste the code here. Write a title to identify who's it for. Let's name it replace add to cart button, and here's the button name. You can replace with your preferred text. I'm writing here add to back, and then click on save changes and activate. So you just activated the code snippet. Here is the code snippet I just activated, and go to the front end of the website and let's refresh the page. And as you can see, the text has been renamed, and this is the pretty easy way to change add to cart button text. Okay, you can go. Thank you for watching.